from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, for most of the day, we got to enjoy a mixture of sunshine and clouds, mild temperatures with readings getting well into the mid-70s this afternoon. And as expected, some scattered showers and storms developing for the second half of the day. But again, that's mostly been for areas along and south of the I-10 corridor. So let's get to it here. We're going to start off with a wide view at Power Doppler 3. If you're in St. Mary Parish today, you had a little bit more shower activity than the rest of us, keeping temperatures a little bit cooler. But nonetheless, we are seeing a good amount of shower and even thunderstorm activity across coastal Acadiana, say into especially Vermilion Parish, but even portions of Iberia Parish. But here's the most intense rainfall we're seeing currently. It has since moved out of Sippermore Point, but nonetheless pretty much moving right over intracoastal city as we speak, and that continues into a good part of southern Vermilion Parish. The heaviest of the rainfall has pushed west of Abbeville, but still coming down there in Rose Hill and Henry, and again points further to the west into Forked Island. There's LA 35. Kaplan, the worst, still just east of you, but don't be surprised if you see some rainfall over the next several minutes. Meanwhile, Gaydon, you're getting in on some light shower activity, and some sporadic showers continue here in southern Acadia Parish, just to the south of Esterwood and the Morris area as well. So again, we are seeing the possibility of some of these scattered showers and storms over the next couple of hours, pretty much limited to the coastal regions, but some of you may pick up a quick inch or two simply because the rain is coming down so heavily and quickly. So here's the high resolution rapid refresh model, and again, we are going to be seeing an area of low pressure try to form out in the Gulf of Mexico, a non-tropical area of low pressure, but nonetheless a good amount of rainfall setting up there. And what we're going to see is this try to lift northward throughout the day tomorrow, and we'll kind of see some of those showers wrapping around and making their way into Acadiana throughout the day. Rain chances at 60%. We're going to see off and on kind of passing showers. Won't be raining all day long, but nonetheless we will have those showers kind of lurking around the area. Notice this area of low pressure gradient tightens up, so the winds are going to be picking up here across southeastern Louisiana, coastal Mississippi as we head into Thursday morning. And this is where the worst of the weather and the tide impacts are going to be setting up. But nonetheless, for us here in Acadiana, still some wraparound showers possible early Thursday. But as Thursday wears on, weather's going to be improving and only getting better from there into Friday. In fact, it's back to mostly sunny skies to round out the week. Warmer temperatures, we're going to be in the lower 80s Friday afternoon. But it's going to be short-lived. A cool front is going to be approaching on Saturday. That's going to give us a pretty good chance at some scattered showers and storms. Right now it looks like Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, but we're still going to have to keep an eye on that, especially for timing. But then high pressure banks in, and we are looking at slightly cooler weather to round out the weekend on Sunday and start the following week. As far as rainfall amounts, again, if you're underneath one of those heavier thunderstorms currently, you're probably already picking up a quick inch or two. But taking us through Thursday, again, the best areas to see an inch or two of rainfall, Iberia, St. Mary parishes. The rest of us picking up less than that, probably anywhere from a half an inch or so to 3/4 of an inch, but even lower than that the further north and west you get from the I-10 corridor. Feeling good still tonight, temperature-wise, mid-50s for northern Acadiana, and we'll be in the upper 50s to lower 60s elsewhere. And then tomorrow afternoon, due to the cloud cover and showers kind of lurking around the area, that's going to keep temperatures limited to the upper 60s and lower 70s. Winds will be out of the northeast tomorrow, sustained at around 6 to 12, gusts at times in that 15 to 20 miles per hour range. 59 the projected low tonight. Again, scattered showers and storms mainly for areas south of the I-10 corridor this evening. Some of those showers redeveloping later on tonight into daybreak tomorrow morning, especially along the coast. Off and on passing showers for our Wednesday. Rain chances again at a soft 60%. Won't necessarily be raining all day long, but we will have to deal with the cloud cover, so temperatures only top it out in the upper 60s to lower 70s, clearing out as Thursday wears on, mostly sunny into Friday and warmer again before storm chances look to return there for the second half of Saturday, and that'll be followed by at least slightly cooler weather for the end of the week.
And we'll take it this time of year.
That's
all right. Thanks, Bradley.